I think I'm just happy that we four managed to create stories which are having such conversations around.
I mean, you take the good reviews and the bad reviews in your stride, but I think the fact that so many people are watching it.
अरे बहुत ही अच्छी पिक्चर बना दी यार. That was the most negative review. You know, actually this time, the first time I felt the pressure of working with four people कि किसी और की criticism के कारण किसी और का अच्छा काम है ना उसको undue मतलब उसकी importance खत्म ना हो जाए.
Hello and welcome to Spot Boy. This is Anita in conversation with super duper hit directors of Ajeeb Dasta. Congratulations guys. एक तो ताली बजनी चाहिए आप लोगों के लिए.
Thank you.
Thank you for giving us such great stories. I actually had spoken to Raj and Neeraj, but I hadn't spoken to Shashank and guys. Congratulations, दिल से, because मैंने बहुत पहले देख ली थी ये मूवी. और आज अभी तक I'm telling you there are a lot of people who are still watching and loving it and still sending in their love. How are you all feeling with so much of love coming your way?
So I'll tell you, for me, I'm the only first time director here.
Yes.
So for me, this is a little overwhelming. The love that all the films I've got, and including mine, and I first 2 or 3 days over the weekend, like I didn't leave my phone, because there's been messages and Instagram messages and reposts, and I was like having this high, and I got worried that, oh God, what is happening in my head? My head is in the clouds or what? So I think that the response has been so overwhelming, and it's been one amazing feeling. And for all the films, and certain people have like different kind of films, that's the lovely part of the anthology series, that it appeals to different parts of the. And I'm generally overwhelmed, and sometimes I don't know what to reply to when people send you something so sweet. So I'm very honest. I say I really don't know what to say, but thank you so much.
What about the others?
I mean, I
Raj,
praise. So I'm just saying it as a legit problem that I go with, is because I get extremely awkward when somebody's praising. So I'm always looking away or saying, "Hey, look, there's a bird." So it doesn't work. But yeah, even with this film, like I tried to keep my head down and take the praise in, but also taking a lot of criticism also into the stride, because there is legit criticism out there on the film, saying that how they feel that this character could have been this and this, which is at the end, audience makes the film what they want to see, what's in their head. But we have made a film which we made it with a lot of honesty and sincerity. It's on to them that how do they perceive. They make a film of their own in their head watching it. So it's good to see multiple perspectives. So I'm taking all of it in.
Okay.
I think I'm just happy that we four managed to create stories which are having such conversations around. And I think that is also what we set out to do, because all our ends are non-conventional ends. All our ends leave you with certain emotions and feelings. And because of that, there's a lot of chat. Now, whether there is praise, whether there is criticism, all are welcome. But I think the most important thing is there's a lot of conversation, a lot of topics have been highlighted, they've been spoken about. And I think this gives us an opportunity to make more films like this. And we can only express immense gratitude to everyone who in these really tough times is switching on and watching our movies and appreciating us. So I think immense gratitude and great responsibility for the future as well.
Raj?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, exactly what Shashank said. I think the fact that there is so much conversation happening about it, people are discussing it. I mean, you take the good reviews and the bad reviews in your stride, but I think the fact that so many people are watching it, and during these tough times, I think that's the best part. And yeah, I'm really happy that it's done so well. And so many people are watching it.
Neeraj, you spoke about criticism, but your story, Gili Gucci, has been immensely loved. The review, the negative points are completely different. But a story like this, did you actually think that इतना positive response आएगा? Negatively तो छोड़ ही दो, वो तो हर चीज में होती है. चाहे कितनी भी अच्छी picture बना दो.
I'm trying to know what negative reviews he got.
I want to know. I've not read one.
ये कहाँ से criticism है? Please.
इनका सबसे negative review ही था. अरे बहुत ही अच्छी पिक्चर बना दी यार. That was the most negative review.
Like he's kind of like just be a little grounded. Like, no, where he got it?
I think he must have read my negative reviews thinking ये उनकी film के लिए.
नहीं, actually there's been a lot of praise, but हाँ मतलब जैसे कुछ लोगों ने सही point out किया कि जैसे starting में जैसे there's a lot of talk about her. She verbalizes that she's Dalit, and this happens with a. I mean, it was done on purpose, to be honest with you, because people don't know caste. People don't understand what does it even mean, and especially the 200 countries that Netflix is taking to, people don't know context. So sometimes, I mean, I went knowing fully well that people are not going to like this very expositional take of it. Secondly, I think there is a talk about how who do you side in sympathy with, which is a larger conversation. Some people feel the sympathies towards his character. Some people feel their sympathy should lie more on Coco's character. But I want to show both women dichotomous, both women trying to find their place in the world. I mean, for that they may do certain things that are incorrect in our perspective or incorrect from their perspective. And all of these things need to exist, and that's what I understood. That, and I like it. And honestly speaking, I was quite scared because I thought that आप एक के चक्कर में you may end up doing disservice to another community, and that is what my biggest fear was. And thankfully, there's been a lot of praise, so people have really appreciated it. So I'm taking that in right, and of course, being wary that there's going to be some people who rightly pointed out few things, but I knew that this was going to come through, so I'm also taking that into good measure.
All right. So y'all are working. All four of y'all are working together. Does it add some kind of pressure to do better than the other stories, or to be equal to the other stories?
I personally think that one is that we honestly didn't know what stories other people are making. Like especially Neeraj made his film after all of us had finished making our film. He made it he made it on the height of the pandemic. So when it comes to how the film should be equal above, I don't think we ever think that way. I think that the truth is that as a filmmaker, you try to do the best you can do. Like you put your best foot forward, you say the story you want to say. And the nice thing about Ajib Dastan is that no one's really saying that people will say, "Oh, I like this film, I like this film. This one didn't work for me," but that's not universal. The nice thing about the anthology is that many people like different kind of films. There are people who reacted the best to Raj's film, the best to Shashank's film.
Right.
Obviously, to Neeraj's, no one's reacted best to my film. But overall,
Please,
overall,
don't be so
such a victim attitude.
Victim,
I want to throw that in.
First time, no होता है. First time में ये होता है.
That's not how to stay grounded, and also that's why. So, but in all honesty, I really don't think we have any thought in our head to be better or equal to anyone. We need to go out there to make the best, put our best foot forward.
Actually, this time, the first time I felt a pressure of working with 4 people, कि किसी और की criticism नहीं कर रहे, किसी और का अच्छा काम है ना, उसको undue, मतलब उसकी importance खत्म ना हो जाए. Like I remember, I messaged Neeraj that I hope the film gets its due because some of the negative reviews does not impact the great work you have done. And this is the first time I have done an anthology. Otherwise, normally आप एक film बनाते हो, जो positive है, negative है, वो आप पे है, और you have the support of box office, और आप निकल जाते हो. This is the first time when all 4 of us are not so-called, we're just sharing the responsibility, but maybe one story ka feedback can impact the other. So I think my only prayer and desire was that I hope everyone kind of takes each story at a time and does not because we never had a feeling like that. We still don't have a feeling like that. And I am very sure, at least I can speak for all 4 of us, that if tomorrow we are offered Ajib Dastans 2, we will still repeat the same process. We are not going to get into मैं जानना चाहता हूँ वो क्या बना रहा है, because उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. मुझे पता भी चल जाएगा कि नीरज या कायो क्या बना रहा है, मैं खुद की फिल्म बनाऊंगा, क्योंकि मैं वैसा स्टोरी टेलर हूँ जो मैं अपनी स्ट्रेंथ्स को जानता है. So I think the only one responsibility which I felt was, shit, yeah, we are 4 all in this together. I hope it does not hamper anyone else's film.
Also, the medium is such now, the short film format is such कि you're doing it for freedom, you're doing it for personal expression कि आपको जैसा आपका मन करता है ना वैसे आपको बनाना. So I don't think any of us came from a very competitive space at all. I think we all went in with यार ये कहानी बोलनी है ऐसे बोलनी है. I mean, regardless of what anyone else is doing. So that is how I think we all went about it.
I just feel just by purely just the fact that there are four different stories and four different directors making film, people are bound to make choices. I think it's only inevitable that people choose the best and which one they like best, and they order it and they term it, and that happens with all the anthologies. I'm sure when Netflix's other anthologies, Love Stories and Ghost Stories, and such established filmmakers like Karan and Zoya and Dibakar and all these Anurag making films, I'm sure even then people chose their best depending on what they like, what their tastes are. So I think just by purely the nature of it, people are bound to choose favorites. But as filmmakers and people making those stories, never even once, does the thought arrive in your head that, you need to worry about what the other person is making or how is it in comparison and all of that. You just, like Neeraj said, we just go and make your own stories and try and do the best we can.
And in all honesty, is that when we read a review, when and let's say our film, one of our films has been praised, but the other film has not, we are actually not happy about that, because we genuinely want the whole film to be appreciated as a film. We are going in as one entity who have four different stories to say, but at the end of the day, we are one entity. So we are not happy at any point that a film has been criticized and ours has been praised.
Absolutely, yeah.
And I think a lot of credit also should be given to the Dharmatics team of Somen and his team and the Netflix team for being able to visualize these four stories together in one anthology and then put it out and kind of then put it out for the world to see and let these characters and all speak for itself. So I think we were already celebrating even before the thing, that we were just happy for each other that we could tell stories like this. So I remember when we all saw it and we had our first trailer launch, we were all very excited for each other because we were like, we are so happy to be part of an anthology which is speaking so much. And I think that's a unique opportunity that we all got.
So what are the positives and negatives of working with four different directors?
Personally, from my perspective, there are no negatives. I will happily do it in a heartbeat again. If I'm offered again, and especially with all of them, so definitely. I won't even think twice. I have had the best time. And I think there's only things to learn from each other. So I'm on, guys. Part 2.
All right. What about others? Anything that you want to add?
I mean, same thing. I think I don't feel any of us feel any competitive or any. I don't like Kayo said. I would legit feel bad that there's something. I would feel guilty of even retweeting some of the praise, because you feel that okay, they didn't get this film. Why didn't they? You feel that, but from a critique's point of view, yeah, they should be having. But for all of us, I think we mean well for equally for all of us, and we want to be happy for all of us. So I don't think there's any kind of feeling at all. We would want to make more films, always together.
And we would love to see all four of us together again to give us such nice stories. Are there any plans as such to come out with, like Shashank also said, there could be 2 if there is.
मैंने ये नहीं बोला there could be.
I'm just putting words in your mouth. I'm just putting words in your mouth.
मैं अनीता की तरफ से बोल देता हूँ कि अनीता wants Netflix to sanction part 2.
Yes, please. Yes, of course. Netflix, please listen. But ऐसा कुछ है, not Ajib Dasta, but any other stories that you'll plan to come out with, all four of y'all?
I mean, from my side, nothing so far.
Collectively, I don't think so, ma'am. अभी फिलहाल कोई बात है. Individually, we are all doing our own work, and I'm sure when life returns to some kind of normalcy, we'll get the opportunity. But I think we are all positively hoping that there is something that happens collectively.
Right. So when you all come together, how do you all decide which story will begin with and which story the film will end with? Do you all collectively decide that, or it's something else? What's the process?
Decides that. Netflix and Dharmatics decide that.
Right. So
we don't have a say in the order or any of that. I think Netflix and Dharmatics take a call on it.
So, did you all watch the film together? Charu Stories? You all just waited.
Unfortunately, no, because of the situation we are in. And
Because of the pandemic, everything happened online, ma'am.
in fact, I used to tell Shashank that let's do a director screening and let's
Correct.
meet at someone's house and we can just all four of us watch it, just the four of us watch it together. But of course, because the way things have gotten worse and worse
Yeah.
in the country, then we just saw it. We all saw it separately, and yeah.
Well,
How lovely would it have been to just do a screening where the
I
whole
swear.
cast,
I,
crew and all the
I
directors and
told
everyone could,
Shashank, let's just
That would have been
talk to
amazing.
Soumya, talk to Karan. We'll do a director screening. We'll all sit together, watch it, and then we'll.
yeah.
But
Then you have the actors and you have the crew and you probably people. It was just so lovely. I miss that.
Sometime soon
Yeah,
in the near
hopefully.
future.
you all can party together with the success that you all have got. And please invite us once you'll start, when you'll have the party. We'll be very happy to be part of it. All right. So, Kayo, what is next for you? You've been just telling that this is my first film, but then what next? Have you planned something?
so I'm honestly in the process of writing something, but there's nothing concrete yet. It's not. We've not locked it in. It's not finished writing. It's not, of course, not being cast or anything like that. But hopefully, I hope that in the next few months something comes of it.
Well, what about others? Raj, Neeraj, and Shashank. They're not busy with your stories, your films. Can you talk about that?
Ma'am, actually, my shooting is on a halt right now because of the pandemic. So we are just waiting. Once I think right now we all need to be far more careful. Just
Yeah.
hope that everyone is safe. So I think whenever we return to shooting, only then I'll be able to speak more about the project. But my film's already started shooting. We are just waiting for the lockdown restrictions to ease out, and then hopefully
Yeah.
I'll be able to return on set.
Raj and Neeraj.
I was shooting the Made in Heaven, so it's stuck same way as like what Shashank just said. So just waiting for it to things to open up a bit and things to get to normalcy. That's when I resume shooting.
All right. Raj.
Yeah, same here. Same here. We were supposed to start shooting for the second schedule of our film now, but unfortunately, because of the situation, we can't. And let's see. We were still planning when we can do it, but I think the more important thing right now is to just kind of get over with this phase collectively, and then we can get to thinking about shoots and stuff.
All right. So, well, on that note, thank you so much for having a lovely conversation with me and wishing you all the very best. Thank you so much for the lovely film that you gave us. Thank you. And wishing you all
Thank
the
you so
very
much,
best.
Anita.